Hi, my name is Sheereen Middleton. I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in Maryland, and I would like to say thank you for taking the time out to schedule an appointment to speak with me. Before we get into more detail about your individual circumstances, I'd like to take a few moments to talk about the bankruptcy process in general, and hopefully this overview will give you a better idea of what is expected from you and what the process is going forward. Again, my name is Sheereen Middleton. I'm the founder of Middleton Legal, a boutique law office in Maryland, and I would be very happy to help you get your fresh start. The first step to getting your fresh start is consulting with an attorney. And even though you can file pro se or unrepresented, having an attorney gives you many benefits, such as avoiding mistakes that can get your case dismissed, choosing the right type of bankruptcy for you and your individual circumstances, as well as avoiding the stress of making sure that everything is done on time and done the right way. As you decide on an attorney to help you, take into consideration their personality as well as their experience. With Middleton Legal, we definitely go above and beyond with our level of communication and service that we provide. You'll see that whenever you call, your phone call will be answered. If you send us a text message, it will be replied to. And if you send us an email, we will get back to you all within 24 hours. We understand that this situation is stressful, and we do everything that we can to make it as easy as possible for you. So again, the first step on your bankruptcy journey is to consult with an attorney to confirm the right chapter for you and to get all of the documentations in order for you. The first step after your consultation is to complete your credit counseling. The credit counseling has two parts to it. The first part you take before your case is filed, and we need that certificate to file your case. The second part is after your case is filed and you have a case number. That certificate is required for you to get your discharge, which is the court order that wipes out all of your debt. There are very few exceptions to this credit counseling requirement. We recommend this website, www.debtorcc.org. They have reasonable prices, and the certificates get emailed to us directly, which is great for administrative purposes as well as moving the ball forward while you are preparing to file your bankruptcy case. Credit counseling is very important. We need one certificate to file your case, and the following class certificate, which is your financial management, we need that in order for you to get your discharge and have the bankruptcy court wipe out all of your debt. The next step would be document gathering. At the very minimum, we're going to need to see your tax returns for the last 2 years, both state and federal, bank statements for the last 3 months, proof of income for the last 6 months, a copy of your most recent credit report, as well as any bills that are not reflected on your credit report, but you know that you have a balance owed. If your tax returns are not filed, that's not a problem, but we need to be in communication about that. One of the reasons why cases can get dismissed is for not having your taxes done, but that is very specific to the chapter that you file, so we will speak about that in more detail. Again, cases are filed electronically. On the day of filing, the automatic stay will come into effect. You will receive a case number and be assigned to a judge and trustee. The court will schedule your meeting of creditors and other deadlines, and the meeting of creditors will be attended by yourself as well as me. It'll be held virtually, either on the phone or over Zoom virtual meetings. The same day that your case is filed, you will have a case number, a judge assigned, a trustee assigned, as well as a meeting scheduled. The automatic stay is the protection that comes from filing a bankruptcy case. It is an injunction that automatically stops lawsuits, foreclosures, garnishments, and all collection activity against you at the very moment your petition is filed. Repeat filings can reduce the amount of time the automatic stay is in effect, so make sure that you mention that when we speak if you have filed a bankruptcy within the last 8 years. The meeting of creditors is required under the Section 341 of the Bankruptcy Code. This is where you will be testifying under oath. This is really a meeting between you and the trustee, even though it's called the meeting of creditors. Creditors have the opportunity to present themselves at the meeting, but very rarely does that occur. And in the event that it does happen, it's an opportunity for us to discuss any of the objections that they might have and to work it out before your case goes forward. Very important to provide us with a copy of your ID and social security card prior to this meeting. The trustee will be verifying your identity, and without a copy of your driver's license and social security card or a W-2 or something equivalent, the meeting will not be able to be conducted. So again, the meeting of creditors is scheduled maybe 30 or 45 days after your case is filed. We will attend it together, and you'll need to provide us with a copy of your driver's license and social security card. The discharge, again, is the court order that wipes out all of your debts. It also prohibits creditors from communicating with you regarding that debt. No phone calls, letters, personal contact, none of that. All of it stops. The discharge order, again, is why you file for bankruptcy, to get that fresh start. So, if you think that bankruptcy is a good solution for you and you'd like more information on the bankruptcy process, you can always reach out to us on our website, on Facebook, or on Instagram. Our handles have changed now to Attorney Sheereen. I look forward to speaking with you.